Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead and welcome to Fabric Friday. Piping. This is some thick twine rope. It's used in to make piping. And I have got a lot of it here. I bought it for another project and then didn't need it, so I've got loads of it. It's called, you can use this as doing a drawstring in when you're making drawstring bags. But I have here, I've cut strips with fabric or what I've got, and I cut them 1.5 inches wide. I've sewn them together on the diagonal. If I can find one, I'll show you. But I can't. There. I've sewn them on the diagonal as you would do your binding. And there's the other one. I'm going to take my zipper foot so I can get close to this, and we're going to basically sandwich that in between. I'll now come around this side and do it again. So I'm going to put my zipper foot on my sewing machine, fold this over the piping and put my foot as close to that piping as I can get, and that will enclose it in this fabric. But I'll bring you round to the sewing machine and show you what I'm doing. I now have my zipper foot on my sewing machine. I've got the long bit here and the rope cord there that I'm going to be stitching in like that. So we'll have the turns of the machine on. So I'm now as close, let me zoom you in a bit over my hand. That's better. As I said, show you now closer. There's the wrong side of the fabric with the cord running down the middle of it. Turn that over. Put your two raw edges together. Make sure the cord is as close, well, is in that fold. And then just start and back touch and let your zipper foot run against the cord. So I'll show you a trick I learnt on this in a bit. In the back here, oh, I need a bit more doing then I can bring it round and show you. That's better. Now, this cord is not stitched down, so it can pull out. So if I tugged on this end, it'd pull all the way out, and I don't want that to happen. So what I do is just fold it over slightly, put a clip on it to help stop that, and to make double certain, I'll put another clip lower down, and then just carry on stitching like it is, And it's as simple as that for making piping. Now I'm going to my seam here where I joined pieces of fabric together. Just going to make sure they're open to spread the bulk, and then put it down. As you can see, it's all there. I know I've got different colour bobbin in my top thread. I've got white on top and black on the bottom. I'm using bobbins up at the moment because this will be sewn in and you won't see it anyway. But that's how easy it is to make piping that goes around the edge of anything you want it to go round. Thank you. Bye.